Welcome to Comparative VPN YouTube channel. In today's video, I will talk about the best VPN for Linux and give you my top 3 VPNs for this platform. If you're using a Linux distribution like Kali, Debian, Ubuntu or Mint and you're looking for additional security, a good VPN for Linux can help you out. Sure, this is not a 360 protection, but the VPN is very useful for those who are connected to the internet 24/7. Actually, we all are in this day and age. A VPN can help you bypass geo restrictions and unblock different geo-blocked websites. Furthermore, you can use a Linux VPN to access your favorite movies and shows on Netflix or simply enjoy downloading torrents safely and anonymously. We like that a VPN is useful for many other purposes. So you can, for example, save money on flight tickets by changing your virtual location, and while you do that, you also encrypt your connection and make it untraceable by your internet service provider. As a result, a VPN provides you with a secure and anonymous web browsing experience and lets you do whatever you want online without anyone knowing about it. I must point out that everything I mentioned applies to premium or paid VPNs, if you will, and free VPNs often fall short of many of these characteristics. Free VPNs, for example, give you limited monthly bandwidth, very slow speeds, low level of security, and they cannot unblock Netflix and other geo-blocked websites. However, if you don't mind, I also have a separate video about the best free VPN for Linux, so you can check it out as well. For now, I will focus on bringing you top-of-the-line VPNs for this system and its distributions, and from my long-lasting experience, the best VPN for Linux systems include ExpressVPN, CyberGhost, and NordVPN. Before I tell you more about them, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell icon to stay notified whenever we publish a new useful video like this one. Okay, so ExpressVPN is my favorite Linux VPN. I like it because it supports pretty much every Linux distribution, ranging from Debian and Ubuntu all the way to Fedora, Arch, Linux Mint and Raspberry Pi OS. Moreover, ExpressVPN offers clear step-by-step instructions on how to use a VPN on Linux, so you can set it up and use it in less than 5 or so minutes. ExpressVPN comes with 3,000 servers in 94 countries, and this is an impressive set of numbers if you ask me. The good thing about its VPN is that it offers the fastest speeds as well. So if you love streaming or downloading torrents, this VPN is more than capable of delivering that to your table. Not only does it work with Netflix and BBC iPlayer, but also platforms like Hulu, HBO Max, Hotstar and many more. One of the highlights of ExpressVPN is security. Linux users will like its military-grade encryption present here, and ExpressVPN has some special features like a kill switch, split tunneling, and a proprietary lightweight VPN protocol for improved performance. Being based in the British Virgin Islands, ExpressVPN's jurisdiction is very privacy-friendly. As a result, it does offer a no-logs policy, and this exact no-logging policy is audited by PricewaterhouseCoopers several years in a row. While ExpressVPN gives you 5 simultaneous connections on a single account, which isn't impressive, its device support is simply unbeatable. Obviously, you can install it on every device you see on the screen, and the list isn't even complete. Finally, there's 24/7 live chat support if any issues arise, so you can use it at any time of the day or night. Price-wise, this VPN is a bit more expensive than the other 2 VPNs in the list, but it's also quite superior. However, you can lower its price even more thanks to a 49% discount and 3 months free for the annual plan, on top of which you also get a 30-day money-back guarantee that applies to all subscription plans, and of course lets you get a full refund in the first 30 days with no specific conditions. If you're interested in getting this deal on ExpressVPN, make sure you use the following link: comparative-vpn.fr/evpn, or just click on the link in the description below the video to claim this deal on ExpressVPN. My second favorite VPN for Linux is CyberGhost. This Romanian VPN offers the applications for all Linux distributions, and whether you're using Linux Mint, Debian or Kali, I'm sure that you'll be able to use CyberGhost just fine. What is really impressive about this VPN is server count. There are 7,000 plus servers in 90 plus countries globally, including dedicated streaming and torrenting servers. Streaming servers are great for unblocking geo-blocked streaming platforms, while torrenting servers can be used for downloading torrents safely. We don't like that CyberGhost won't work in China, for example, and it can unblock fewer streaming platforms. But when it comes to security, despite being so cheap, CyberGhost is definitely going to pack a punch. I mean, all the features from ExpressVPN are present here, with the addition of an ad blocker and WireGuard support even for Linux users. Furthermore, the VPN comes with a zero-logging policy in place. Sure, it's not audited or anything, but CyberGhost backs up its claims with transparency reports published every 3 months. Plus, being based in Romania, you can be sure that this VPN will not store or sell any information to the authorities or third-party companies. Unlike ExpressVPN, CyberGhost offers 7 simultaneous connections on a single account and also gives you the ability to install it on any platform you want. If any issues arise, there's 24/7 live chat support that will help you fix potential problems in no time. In terms of pricing, you can see that CyberGhost is insanely cheap if you go for the longest plan. I like that it also gives you a 45-day money-back guarantee for all plans longer than 1 month, and if you want to get this cheapest deal on CyberGhost along with a 45-day money-back guarantee I just mentioned, make sure you use this link, comparative-vpn.fr/cg, or as I said, click on the link in the description below the video to claim the cheapest possible deal on CyberGhost VPN. What about NordVPN? Well, as I said, this is also the best VPN for Linux distributions. NordVPN can be installed on a wide variety of Linux-based systems such as CentOS, Fedora, Linux Mint, Elementary OS, and a few more. I like that this VPN has more than 5,000 servers in 60 countries, which is more than enough even for more demanding users. While NordVPN doesn't offer any streaming servers, I found that it works with more than 10 Netflix libraries, and you can use it to unblock platforms like BBC iPlayer, Hulu, Hotstar, HBO Max, and many more. Moreover, the VPN has dedicated P2P servers for torrenting, and unlike CyberGhost, it is going to work in censored countries like China or Russia, for instance. In terms of security, NordVPN ticks all the boxes and brings every feature that ExpressVPN and CyberGhost have, with the addition of an ad blocker, CyberSec, NordLynx protocol, and even obfuscated servers for bypassing censorship. Much like ExpressVPN, NordVPN also has a certified zero-logging policy. The auditor of this no-logs policy, PricewaterhouseCoopers, came to the conclusion that NordVPN won't store any logs of your IP address, browsing history, or DNS requests, which is a huge relief. Now, if you want to install NordVPN on multiple devices, there's a limit. 6 of them simultaneously can be protected, but a good thing is that NordVPN also supports every possible platform and device and offers native apps for pretty much all of them. Of course, since this is a premium VPN, there's 24/7 customer support available through live chat. It's responsive, functional, and very helpful, which I'm sure is going to be beneficial to you. When it comes to pricing, NordVPN is cheaper than ExpressVPN and more expensive than CyberGhost. Depending on your location, VAT taxes might apply, but if you don't mind these small taxes, you can get NordVPN's cheapest deal, one on the left, along with a 30-day money-back guarantee for all subscription plans by using the following link, comparative-vpn.fr/nord1, or just check the link in the description below the video to claim the cheapest possible deal on NordVPN. Okay, so this was the list of the best VPN services for Linux. My personal recommendation is ExpressVPN because it's generally speaking the best VPN overall. However, due to its more expensive price, feel free to try out CyberGhost or NordVPN instead. They are both slower than ExpressVPN, and while CyberGhost won't work in censored countries, NordVPN can be a bit more expensive than it should be due to VAT taxes. At the end of the day, all of these VPNs have money-back guarantee in place, so if you end up not liking your choice, you can get your money back, try another one, and see if you like it. And with that said, this was all for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, of course, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay with us because many more useful videos like this are coming pretty much on a daily basis. See you in the next video. Bye.